Discover the ultimate adventure with FJ Classics. Design the FJ of your dreams, and we'll build it just the way you like. Once your project is complete, drive your perfectly restored Toyota FJ and explore the most stunning landscapes of Colombia. From majestic mountains to exotic jungles, we take you through off-road trails that will challenge your senses. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying an unforgettable experience. Join us and live the off-road adventure in Colombia. Visit us at FJ Classics and make your adventure dream come true.